If you want to change theme on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we can open the settings on your phone. Over here in settings, scroll down a little bit and search for the themes option. You will open Galaxy themes and most likely you will need to use the Samsung account to be able to access and download these themes. Of course, the account is completely free to create, so you shouldn't have any issues with that at all. Over here, of course, we can make sure that themes option is selected at the bottom left corner, and here you can scroll through all of these different options and examples in order to try to find something that you like the most. However, you may notice that many of these themes actually are not free, so what you can do is you can, let's say, switch to the top category, and then here on the left side we can switch from all to free, so you can see only free content, and then you can select something from here. And let's say that I want to use this theme over here. We can of course see the preview of this theme so we can see how it looks like. If you are sure that you want to get it, tap on the downloads at the bottom of the screen, and then after a couple of seconds, once the theme is downloaded, you should be able to apply it. And that is pretty much it. Once the theme is applied, you will go back to the home screen, and there we go. This is how it looks like. Of course, the theme can change not only like icons and the wallpaper, but also the appearance of the icons in the control center or quick settings, the notification tray, and even settings. If we go to settings now, let me actually try to find it. There we go. Let's go back. Then you will see that we have like a different color palette set up over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.